If you're sharing a PDF that contains sensitive information you want to keep private, simply covering it with a highlight or a shape isn't reliable, because the data is still there and can often be copied or revealed. While redaction is a way to delete sensitive info from a file, so no one can read or copy it. In this video, I'll show you 3 solutions to redact PDFs. Let's see how to redact PDFs on PDFgear first. Search for PDFgear in your browser and download it for Windows, or get it from the App Store for Mac. PDFgear is completely free and doesn't require any sign-up. Now, let's see how to redact your sensitive information permanently with PDFgear. Launch PDFgear and open the PDF you want to redact. This is a bank statement. As you can see, it contains a lot of personal information. To redact it, go to the Protect tab. Before redacting, choose a color. PDFgear lets you use any color for redaction. Pick a color, then drag to select the area you want to redact. Or you can choose the transparent color. This option can remove text from a table without covering the table lines. Here, as you can see, only the text has been removed, but the table stays intact. Before saving, you can undo the redaction if needed. Here you can undo or redo the options. But after saving the PDF, the information will be removed permanently. To protect your original PDF, please save the redacted PDF as a copy. This is the redacted PDF. At this point, the redacted content is fully removed, not just hidden. Even when entering edit mode, the original text won't appear. PDFgear works on both Windows and macOS, and all features are completely free. Next, let's look at Adobe Acrobat. Acrobat offers more advanced PDF tools, but redaction is part of its paid features. You can find Redact under All Tools. Here, you can choose what type of content to redact. For example, you can redact text and images. And then drag over the text or areas you want to remove. This preview shows what will be redacted before you click Apply. Or you can delete the redaction before applying. After confirming that everything is correct, click Apply in the lower left corner. To avoid losing the original content, Acrobat will also suggest saving a copy. Acrobat is powerful and flexible, but you need to pay for these features. Finally, if you are using a Mac, you can also redact PDFs with the built-in Preview app. Open the PDF in Preview, then find Redact under Tools. After selecting Redact, drag over the area you want to remove. Preview will place a solid redaction block on the PDF. At this stage, you can preview the redactions and undo anything selected by mistake. You can adjust the selection before saving the file. However, the redaction color cannot be changed, and the feature is only available on macOS. Once you've finished marking all sensitive areas, save the file. Once saved, Preview permanently removes the redacted content, so it can't be recovered. These are 3 apps for you to redact your PDF. PDFgear is the free and flexible option. Download PDFgear and give it a try. Follow our channel for more PDF tips. See you in the next video.